Hi to one and all. Today we'll discuss about TTL families. So there are 6 different types of TTL families are available. In that first starting is 74 series TTL. TTL means transistor to transistor logic. In earlier days, all logical gates are implemented by using the 74 series TTL logic. So later on, in order to increase the speed, next go for 74H high speed TTL. So this is another logic family used for construction of the this one. Next 74L low power TTL, 74S Schottky TTL, 74LS low power Schottky TTL, 74 advanced Schottky TTL. These are the classification of TTL logic families. So whenever the speed is high, the power dissipation is high. So we can't at a time we can implement with high speed with low power. So either we can sacrifice speed or low power at the same time size also. In order to design any IC, it trade off in between speed and low power consumption. So here Schottky TTL is used for to reduce the storage time. Storage time you can avoid the deep saturation by using the Schottky diode inbuilt within the transistor. That is nothing but a Schottky TTL. In that Schottky TTL also you can go for a low power Schottky TTL and advanced Schottky. Advanced means it is a trade-off in between power and high speed logic families. So these are the simple classification of the TTL. This is important for 2 mark question. Next, another important